Hi everyone, today I want to show you the winning razor by Yates. This is a stunning razor, all stainless steel. Very nice, well made, was CNC just like any Yates razor. This is absolutely stunning. It's a three-piece razor. I'll just unscrew in a moment, but you can see in the head, it's really well designed. This design here on the top cap and also on the base makes you actually intuitively and immediately find the perfect angle to attack and to shave, which is really cool. So it's a no-brainer. Three-piece razor, absolutely stunning. You see on the handle these horizontal ridges. The ridges are strong, so you can really feel it on your hand. You can feel the grip. And on the handle, I mean on the top base cap and on the top cap, this is how it looks like. You can see the machine marks. You can also get some other finishes with the Yates razors, like build your own, having like sandblasted, have it polished, have it in different materials like titanium, brass, stainless steel, and many others. And yeah, it's a three-piece razor. As you can see on the top cap, you kind of have like concavity here, which when you load the blade, you can actually feel the blade and grip it. You can see the blade, but when you put the base plate on and you screw it back, you actually don't feel any blade. There's no blade overhang, you know, when you hold it like this. And here's the blade, very nicely exposed equally, and a very nice, beautiful piece of razor, piece of material. I've been looking forward to trying Yates razors. I remember looking at seeing the America razor for the first time in a few years back, and I was really stoked by the razor and the performance, as people say. So I'm really happy to have my hands on one, and this is the winning razor. And if you also want to grab one of those, whatever razor you decide, you can get 5% off with the coupon code BT5. It will give you 5% of your purchase. So this is it. That's the winning razor by Yates Precision. Stay tuned for my shave video with it, and hope to see you next time.